All right, we like lazy things, so let's do lazy butternut squash lasagna. We need onions, butternut squash, some spinach, tomatoes. Let's go. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half of an onion, and I sliced up the whole bottom of a butternut squash, which, by the way, butternut squash, you get a lot out of it, right? So slice it, dice it however you want, saute it, salt, pepper, for about 4 to 5 minutes till it starts to get soft. Add your spinach, and we're gonna let that cook again another 4 to 5 minutes. I just am using some chopped fresh tomatoes, and add your fettuccine, okay? This is super easy. Give it a good toss. Don't forget salt and pepper. I threw a little bit of basil in there. Top it with mozzarella cheese. Top it with Parmesan cheese. Remember, we're doing lasagna, and then a bunch of dollops of ricotta cheese. Throw it in the oven and let it bake for about 20 minutes, and this is what you get. Lazy butternut squash lasagna. It is a hit always. Shred some basil, a little bit more Parmesan cheese, and it is heavenly.